How to remove server owner's crown on Discord. Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how you can hide or remove server owner's crown on Discord. In order to remove the crown or hide it, you'll need to first of all log in into your Discord account. You need to do it from the application as well, but if you're logged in from a web browser, it's going to be more helpful and it's going to be more easy. So then to begin with, type in discord.com on your search box. After that, it's going to take you or direct you to the official webpage. Make sure that you're already logged your Discord account. And once you're logged into your account, right on this page, you'll need to go to the server settings. For that, go ahead and tap on your server from the left hand side menu. After that, it's going to show you your server. So click on the arrow icon from the drop arrow icon in the top left hand side corner. After that, a drop down menu appears. From there, click on server settings. You'll need to go to roles from the left hand side bar. After that, you need to select or create the roles. Just give it a name and click on create role, which is right at the bottom. Once you've done that, you'll need to scroll down a bit and you'll need to allow anyone at the rent. You need to toggle it, or you need to just toggle it off and click on save changes. After that, head over to the permissions section and you'll need to go right to the bottom and then you'll need to allow administrator. So once you've done that, click on save changes. Once you've made changes, server settings page, or just go back to your home page. And now again, you'll need to go to settings and here you'll need to select the user that you want to give access to. And after that, you'll need to refresh or you'll need to exit out of your Discord. Once again, re-log in into your account and that's going to fix your issue. So in this way, you can hide or remove crown on Discord. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.